अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। सबसे पहले तो मेरी आपसे गुजारिश है, आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है, वीडियो को लाइक करना है, कमेंट करना है, शेयर करना है और बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिएगा। बेल आइकन दबाने से ये होगा कि हमारी आने वाली जितनी भी वीडियोस होंगी वो आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन के जरिए में पहुंच जाएंगी। तो गाइस, आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है द लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ अ बटरफ्लाई। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर टॉपिक। The life cycle of a butterfly is one of the most fascinating process in nature. It shows how a small egg can transform into a beautiful flying insect. This process is called metamorphosis, which means a complete change in form. The butterfly life cycle has four main stages: egg, larva यानी larva से caterpillar, pupa से यानी chrysalis and adult butterfly. The first stage of a butterfly life begins with the egg. Female butterflies lay their egg on the leaves of specific plants that will later swear a food for the caterpillar. These plants are carefully chosen to make sure the larvae have the right kind of food once they hatch. Butterfly eggs are very small and can be round, oval, or cylindrical depending on the species. After a few days, 1 week, the egg hatches into larva, also known as caterpillar. This is the second stage of the butterfly life cycle. The main job of the caterpillar is to eat and grow. It spends most of its time eating leaves and plants, sometimes even doubling its size in just a few days. As the caterpillar grows, its skin becomes tight and it needs to shed it. This process is called molting. A caterpillar will molt several times during its growth, and after each molt, it becomes large. This stage is very important because the caterpillar must store enough energy for its transformation into a butterfly. Once the caterpillar is fully grown, it enters the third stage of its life, the pupa and chrysalis stage. The caterpillar attaches itself to a leaf or branch and form a protective covering around its body. Inside this hard shell, amazing changes take place. The caterpillar body break down and recognize into the form of an adult butterfly. This stage is called metamorphosis is truly magical. Although it may seem like nothing else happened from the outside, inside the chrysalis, the old caterpillar tissues are being transformed into wings, antennae, legs, and other parts of a butterfly. Depending on the species and temperature, this process can take for a few days to several weeks. When the transformation is complete, the butterfly carefully emerges from the chrysalis. At first, its wings are soft, wet, and folded against its body. The butterfly must pump fluid into its wings and allow them to dry before it can fly. After a few hours, the butterfly is ready to take off into the world. The adult butterfly is the final stage of the life cycle. Adult butterflies feed on nectar from flowers using their long straws like tongue called a proboscis. These are responsible for production, continuing the cycle by laying new egg. Adult butterfly usually live for only a few weeks, although some species can survive for several months. Butterflies play an important role in nature. As they visit flowers to drink nectar, they help in pollination, which allow plants to produce fruits and seeds. This makes them an essential part of the ecosystem. Their beauty also remind us to wonders of nature and importance of protecting the environment. The life cycle of a butterfly is a beautiful example of changes and growth from a teeny egg to a crawling caterpillar to a resting chrysalis and finally to graceful butterfly. Each stage is a step of remarkable journey. तो गाइज यहाँ पर हमारा क्वेश्चन तक कंप्लीट। अब आपने क्या करना है, मुझे देनी है इजाजत। इजाजत लेने से पहले मेरी आपसे गुजारिश है, आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना, वीडियो को लाइक करना, कमेंट करना, शेयर करना, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिएगा। बेल आइकन दबाने से होगा कि हमारे आने वाली जितनी भी वीडियो होंगे आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन इस तरह में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।